What's going on, people? Today we making barbecue chicken pizza on Naan flatbread. Let's get it. All right, so to get things started, we're gonna come out to the Marshall Centerbox, grill up some boneless, skinless chicken thighs. For this particular recipe, we're gonna need about 2 cups of grilled chicken. Once you got your chicken all grilled up, you're just gonna come through, slice it all up. We're gonna take a piece of our Naan flatbread. We're gonna hit it with some barbecue sauce, a little bit of mozzarella on the top of that. We got some of that grilled chicken going down. Feel free to use as much as you want. A little purple onion too, and a little more sauce over the top. Got my hog lifter. Let's get this on. Right on here, just like that. And we're gonna give these about 8 to 10 minutes, let that cheese melt and everything come together, and then we'll be ready to eat. It's been about 9 minutes. Let's take these off. Man, look at that right there. Woo. Finish these off with a little bit of arugula. Cheers. Done deal.